How smart students take notes. Simple but powerful. You take pages of notes. Highlighters, headings, bullet points. But when exam day comes, you barely remember any of it. Why? Because you've been doing it all wrong. It's time to stop copying and start thinking. Most students take notes like they're recording a lecture. Just writing everything. But here's the problem. The more you write, the less you think. Note-taking shouldn't be about collecting words. It should be about activating your brain. Here's the secret top students know. Don't write to remember. Write to understand. Before you write, ask yourself, what does this really mean? How does it connect to what I already know? That's how you take notes that actually teach you something. Stop copying facts. Start summarizing ideas in your own words. Turn notes into questions. Use arrows, diagrams, mind maps. Your notes should be a conversation with your brain, not a transcript of your teacher's words. Great notes don't just store info. They train your memory. Instead of rereading, ask, can I remember this without looking? Make flashcards. Leave blanks. Test yourself. Practice retrieving, not just reviewing. Use the split page method. Left side, questions or triggers. Right side, short explanations or diagrams. Pause often to reflect. Ask more, why, and how questions. And always, review by recalling, not by rereading. If your notes don't make you think, they won't help you learn. Upgrade your note-taking. Train your brain, not your pen. And if you're serious about learning smarter, hit that subscribe button and level up your study game today.